Hello students, today we are going to see chapter number 1, that is graphs in economics of standard 12 commerce subject economics. So this is the fifth part of the chapter number 1 and today we are going to see the cluster bar diagram. Here we are seeing the types of diagram. In that very first we have seen time-based line diagram and second one is a bar diagram. Bar diagram is again divided into three categories, where very first is a simple bar diagram that we have seen in our last video, and today we are going to see cluster bar diagram. So let's see that. Let's understand cluster bar diagram. So here this is the second type of bar diagram in the diagram. So very first we have seen that was the simple bar diagram. Here the second one is a cluster bar diagram. According to its name, we can see that here the bars are in a cluster. So here we can see that in the bar there are the three bars together. So it is again depend upon the variable how much we have taken for the example. So let's try to see the definition of the cluster bar diagram. So here in a cluster bar diagram, value of common variable n over a common base are given for more than one section. So here for more than one section, for over a one base the information is given. So because of that here we can get the cluster bar diagram. So here for more than one section of related parameter, hence we get the clusters of bar for the same variable over a various base value. So this is the definition of the cluster bar diagram, where we can see that here we are getting the clusters of bar, and that's why it is called cluster bar diagram or group bar diagram. And let's try to understand same with the help of example. So here for example, if the base is time period, the variable is literacy level and its value are expressed for two categories, that is namely male, females and men. For a cluster for one time period, two bars showing literacy level for female and male are drawn in a cluster. So here for one period of time there will be two bars, first for the female and the second one for the male, and that's why it is called cluster. To create a proper visual effect and help the comparison, each bar is colored differently. So here to know the different bar of one variable, here we have to make the different color or different shade to understand, to make the comparison easy. So here to make the proper visual effect, here we are going to color the bar differently, or we are going to shade the bar, and the value which it represents are indicate on it. So the value also we are going to indicate on it so that it can understand very easily. So here let's try to understand the same with the help of the example. So here there is a one hypothetical example where the number of chocolates sold in a particular month is given to us, and here the size is in a unit, but the size of the chocolate are different. That is small size, medium size and large size chocolates are given to us. So here we can see that size in a unit is having three different variables, so that we have to take it for the cluster bar diagram. Here month will be as it is a time period and it will be shown on the x-axis. So here we have seen shown the month on the x-axis and size in a unit will be on the y-axis. So that is also we have drawn. So here for January, February we can see that the small size chocolate is 30, medium size chocolate is 50 and large size chocolate is 25. So here we can see that the small size chocolate we have shown for the 30 unit, medium size for the 15 unit and large size for the 25 unit. And here again we have shown the different shade to understand it very nicely. So here small size, for the small size we have taken the slanting shade, then for the medium size we have taken the dotted side, and for the large side it is sleeping line. So here we can understand it very nicely that this is the small size, this is medium size, and this bag is for the large size chocolate, and the comparison can make very easily. Here we can understand in the January month we can see that the small size chocolate are sold more than the other two chocolate. Next we can see for the month of March April. Here we can see that the small size 40 unit, medium size 25 unit, and large size it is 50 units sold. So here for the March April, again for the small size we have drawn the 40 unit, then 25 unit, and then the 50 unit, and here again we have given the proper shaded according to that. And here again we can see that the large size chocolate are more sold than the other two. So that comparison is very easier over here. Now let's see for the next one, that is May and June. For the May and June it is the small size 50 unit, medium size 25, and large size 35. So here for May and June, small size chocolate is 50 unit, then 25 unit, and then 35 unit. And here again we can see that the small size chocolate are more sold than the other two. Now let's see for the next month, that is July and August, and then this small size chocolate is 25, medium size chocolate is 15, and large size chocolate is 10. So for the July August, here 25, 50, and 10 accordingly, and here again we can see that the small size chocolate is more sold than the other two. Now let's talk about the September and October. So for the September and October, small size chocolate is 40 units, medium size chocolate is 20 units, and the large size chocolate is 25 units. So here we can see that for the September and October, 40 units for the small size, medium size 20, and large size 25. Here again we have given the shaded according to the mark, and here we can see that the small size chocolate is more sold. For the November December, small size is 60 unit, medium size is 40 unit, and large size is 20 unit. So here we have drawn the graph for that. For the small size it is 60 unit, for medium size it is 40, and for the large size it is 20 unit. And for that we have drawn the graph and we have shaded the bar according to the size. And here again we can see that the small size chocolate is more sold. And here again we have to keep it in mind that the from the origin to the first bar distance must be keep the same, and all the bars bar distance must be keep the same, so that the graph look attractive and clean and neat. So student, this is our cluster bar diagram. You may note down this in your notebook, and in our next video we are going to understand the last bar diagram, that is divided bar diagram. Thank you for watching this video.